Hi, I am back with another tip, and this one is about not hiding in social media. This is something that I really emphasize on with my clients, and I tell them to be more visible on social media so that people can see a face to the name. A lot of us have our Facebook biz pages as well as personal pages, which we don't really mix, which is a very good thing to do. But at the same time, I always emphasize that it is important for the people on your personal profile to know that you have a business so that, in case your synergy is just, meet, you could always work. There's no harm in letting people know that there is a business that you're doing. So let me run you through a very quick way of connecting your business page to your personal Facebook page. So what I'm doing right now is I've moved on to my profile, and once you go onto your profile, you will see a list of activities that are there on the left hand side, which is typically whatever you're working on or your education, where you live, etc. So you need to first click on the edit button, and it opens up the entire list of things that you can edit. Now over here what I've done is I've already added my workplace to my personal profile. So what I'll do is I'll just tell you quickly how to add your, how you can add your business. So you just need to click on add workplace. So once you've clicked on add workplace, you'll probably be seen. I'm sorry, this drop down just comes up. So you just need to add the name of your company now. So if you already have your Facebook page, all you need to do is just type in the name of the Facebook page. Now, for example, I have my page, which is Pratt's Musings, which is already listed. So it will just show up with the search. So you just need to add that. You just need to add the name of your company. And let me just show this to you. So you just need to add the company and whatever your position is. So you could be the founder, it could be the CEO, you could be anything that you want to add a title. Wherever, if you want to share the city and town, you could do that, and a very short description about what the business is all about. And you just have to click this, check this box here which says I currently work here, and you can also add the year of the business when it was founded. So if I just say 2007 to present, it just takes up okay, 28 to present. So it just shows up on my page how long I've been working over here. Now I'm not saving these changes because I already have this. So I'll just show you how it looks on your page. So once you've saved this and you go back to your page, you see that you have added all your profiles over here. Now this is a very good way for you to kind of let your friends and family know about the business that you're doing and be more connected and be more visible. So I just hope that you really like this tip. Just leave a comment if you have liked it and you've learned from it. Thank you. Bye-bye.